be careful. Lagi daw. Oh, no. Ano?
Nathan, come here.
Nathan, no. No. It's for Toto, di ba?
Bigit lang kami ng mga
Ako nagpe-play sila. Magbibidyo kasi yung mami niya eh.
Saan kayo punta, te? Saan kayo punta, te? Oh, de-decorate na. Inform mo na lang ako kung alis kayo, di ba? Ayan.
Special kayo lang naman kung mabilis na lang.
Side ka. Binigyan siya ng ano, laruan. Ayun yun, no? Sinabit niya doon. Where's the ball? I don't know.
Magic.
Magic. Yes, it's magic. You play with Siren ng Milab. Oh no.
Where's Nathan? Where's Nathan? Kamu?
Saya siya. Where's Nathan? Peekaboo. Ano? Ay, do not bite. Ay, babite na. Do not bite me. Do not bite, it's dirty. Oh my God, don't bite. Don't bite, it's dirty. Oh.
No. No.
What happened, Mila? What happened? Hala! Wait lang. Wag muna dito kasi nag-ano si Nathan. Nathan! Peekaboo!
Where's Nathan?
Nathan! Makulit. Wala. Sabi ko, is it okay kung mag-video ako? Sabi niya, okay lang. Tapos nung pinost ko, hindi pala okay.
Siron!
Ay, pinabite niya. No, magkagatin na. No, it's dirty. It's dirty. Mano yung ngipin niya, masira. Tumahilig kasi ito maglaro ng ano, hide and seek. Mahilig. Nathan. Nathan, you go play with Siren na. Play with Siren kasi Siren will ano na. Nathan. Kinder 1. Pinasyal ako ni principal that time eh. Sa mga rooms. Nathan. Ang kulit. Nathan is a ghost. Oh no, Nathan is a ghost.
Oh no. Nathan.
Oh, careful, careful. Yeah.
Iron. Hindi niya po kasi mag-birth. Kaya yung ang dami niya pong pasa.
Dapat nilalagyan ng safety, pang knee pads, parang safety, support. Para hindi siya maano dito. Oh no. Oh, ganyan-ganyan siya.
School, oh, school? School? Tyron.
Nathan.
Ngayon, bakit ayaw? Pinapasit na yung mouth mo.
Nathan. Siren can't see you. Siren can't see you, my love. Hey, you're a ghost? Are you a ghost, my love? Are you a ghost? Oh.
Siya school, oh? School?
Oh. Oh, where's Nathan? Ano?
Yeah. Oh no. Nathan's a ghost. No. No.
Oh, no.
Ghost?
It's a ghost! Nathan! Siren's scared! Siren is scared. Because you're a ghost. My name is Nathan. Not a ghost. You're a ghost. You're a ghost. You're a ghost. You're not Nathan. But now you're Nathan. Mami ko ito di binlo. Oh, you're a ghost na naman.
Ayoko muna mag-consider or ayun
Tyron, no?
My love. Oh, look, Teacher Evelyn. There's Teacher Evelyn. Look, oh. Who's that? Teacher? Who's teacher? Okay, say bye-bye, my love. Here. Show your face, my love. Say bye-bye, everyone. Tampot. Say bye-bye na, my love. Bye-bye. Show your face, my love. Show your face. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. See you again next time. Ako si Cutie Pie. Pero mo Cutie Pie. Ako si Cutie Pie. Who's Cutie Pie? Di si Cutie Pie ba? Say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye na. No. That's it muna, guys. See you later. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.